Christian Cyborg-Justino for Fight Sport. Christian, what do you think about this event? You enjoy it?
Yeah, I enjoy, and very good fights and very good promotion too. You know, looks like Pride in Japan, and very cool. I like.
What do you think about women's fight tonight?
You know, always I like watch girls fight. You know, because it's very exciting, and I'm very happy because it's mixed. You know, having mixed martial arts and Muay Thai. It's cool, and I appreciate it.
And you want to be on next events of Fight Exclusive Night?
No, for sure I want to come even other event. You know, for me it's very appreciate coming here and meet people in Polish and watch the fights.
Thank you for interview, and we hope to meet you next time.
Okay, thanks so much.
Thank you for interview.
Okay,
Christian Cyborg-Justino for Fight Sport.
Okay, thank you.